Hey, what's up, y'all? It's been a minute. It's Julian from Juliansliving. Um, as you saw in the title, I'm leaving the United States and I'm moving to Canada. Um, it's been in the works for the past 5 years. It's nothing that was last minute. My wife is on the way here now to come pick me and my stuff up, and we're going back up in 2 days. The last few days have been emotional. Um, just emotional leaving my family. I never left home. You know, I guess that's how all immigrants feel of any nation that leave their home country. So yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. The goal is to be happy with my wife in a nice, safe environment. Right now I'm in Philadelphia. By the time you're seeing this, I'm probably already moved. I probably upload then. But I'm talking to you on a phone camera. My camera's kind of packed away, and I didn't feel like putting it together. But this my main motivation is just to be happy in a safer environment. Raise a kid. With my wife, and yeah, that's basically like the gist of it. And then starting over could be hard, but it could be a good thing. Change is definitely good. I know a lot of people that left Philadelphia, that are doing all right. So yeah, I definitely have a plan. Definitely have a plan. For now, I did work on my resume just to put when I needed, update it, getting some reference letters from a couple of people that I did work with that were my boss. And I'm gonna just go put my best foot forward as far as career, as far as my creative side. I definitely did research Eventbrite, that the app called Meetup, and yeah, I'll be meeting up with other creatives and other photographers and videographers. So that's my definite plan. I gotta meet people in Ottawa. So yeah, that's just like the main goal. Get my projects out there that I want to create, and hopefully build a team around that, and be able to utilize people, and utilize resources. So yeah, though that's basically where my mind and my game plan is. Don't want to give too much, but yeah, I wrote down my game plan, wrote down my business plan, and I'm just gonna go for what I always been going for, even here in Philly. So I just felt like I couldn't really grow it here how I wanted to. But yeah, it's been it's been a wild ride since I made the last video. And as far as this channel, I don't want to make videos. I want to document. So this is like the first installment of my documenting. I might vlog our way up to Canada. I really want to do that. I'll see if it's all right with my lady, because we always planned this from years ago. But I want to see if it's all right with my lady, and if we can do it, let's do it. If not, I'll see y'all on the other side of the border. But I'm just super excited, but sad at the same time leaving my family. So that's just basically the gist of it. Anyone can feel like this. One would feel like this. And all I can do is just prepare. That's all I can do. But yeah, I'll keep this short. By the time you're seeing this, I'll be home already. All right. See y'all on the next one. Peace.